Hey everybody! Welcome back to Implied Wit. On today's show, I'm going to teach you how to make a meme. If you go to IMG Flip, they have a meme generator, and you can make memes here. It's all ready and set and done for you. So it's very simple. You just do the text. I don't want to mess with the color. That's pretty advanced. Maybe in the next tutorial. But like these boxes. Oh, you can turn them. That's cool. So these boxes you put text in. So let's say butt. That's always funny. Like butt liker. Okay. Oh, I got a good one, guys. Butt liker farts, right? Okay. So this is what's called a panel. This is a 2-panel meme. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video, go back a couple seconds. This is a panel. This is a second panel. This is where the meme happens, all the funny stuff. So we're gonna take the butt liker, our subject, and the description adjective verb farts. We're gonna move them down here because the guys are still there. We're still going, so we're gonna put farts here, but liker there. But here's where the hopey, the fun stuff happens, the cool stuff. Poop. We did it. Oh no, you do this because you want people to know that you made it. Okay, so you keep it. You keep the image. And then you generate meme. And now that you have that, you right click it. This is where you get away with getting rid of stuff, is you right click it and you select copy image. But what I like to do is make sure I did it right, like view image, and I just drag that over to my little collection folder of memes. Now that's pretty fun, guys. Let's make another. Okay, so I'm pretty confident in my meme making skills. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll pick one totally at random, and we'll go from there to show you how boss I am. I'm not looking. Bam. Okay, so this is Leonardo da Vinci from that bear movie, and what we're going to do is oh, hey, you can. Oh, wow. I mean, I already knew you could do this. Add that. Add a little tilt. Add a little tilt. And, what else? Boom. The Yankee with the brim. And, see, it already looks a ton better. But, hold on, a true artist knows when to keep adding more. So I'm going to and then we'll rotate this, and then now I don't know if you guys knew this, but it was a meme for a while that Leonardo da Vinci couldn't get an Emmy for the bear movie, so we're gonna gimme the Emmy. Boom. Right? So he wants the Emmy. Alright, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do the same, guys. We're gonna right click and then middle mouse button the view image so we can stay on this page. We'll go ahead and start this new. I'll drag and drop this to the win folder. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna full advance. We go view memes, and now I'll just boom. There we go. Oh, this one's already made. It doesn't count. I'll go back. Let's wiggity woo. This one. Oh, okay. So this meme, for those who don't know, is of the guy who played Star-Lord in Guardians of the Galaxy. He's making a choice. You can only have one. You can only press one button. So we're gonna say being sus. You can either be sus or oh no. So what I'm gonna do is to get away. I'm gonna look for inspiration. Don't be afraid. Oh, perfect. See, this is why you shouldn't be afraid to look for inspiration. So, boom. Now we hit. Remember, when you're done, you hit generate. And yeah, look at that. Art. Right click, middle mouse, view image, into the folder. I'm liking it. Okay. Let's get to the next one. We'll do one more just to really drive home how boss I am and how easy this is for everybody. Let's choose one. Okay, so this one. I'm gonna try to go for. Let's again look for inspiration. Oh no. Oh, okay, this is coming together, guys. Hold on. This is why you always look for inspiration. Okay, I think that's enough. Hold on. Not, Karen. Hold on. Karen in the world. Boom! We did it! So I'm going to... Okay, hold on. I'll explain it, guys. So, not a care in the world. This is the hair. This is supposed to be... This is a Karen. This is probably surrounded by managers right now and really happy about it. So, make cool logo. Thanks for watching. Just patient, guys. I'll get this dog. Purple. Happy. Stop. Go away. Go away. Stop. Go away. There we go. I like this one. Stop. Go away. Anyways, this has been Implied Wit. Have a good day. Like, comment, and follow the score.